Hello everyone. I am AlphaTech. Today I am going to demonstrate on how to upgrade iPhone 8 Plus from 64 GB to 256 GB. Please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, the memory is on 64 GB now. So now, we just have to disassemble the phone.
Are you watching the World Cup?
Yes, of course I'm watching the World Cup.
Is it true?
Yes.
That in at least every team playing the World Cup?
Yes.
Now that the phone has been disassembled, the next step is to mount the motherboard into a holder for easy operation. The next step is to put the motherboard under microscope and start cleaning the glue that was surrounded by the memory chip. As I have always advised, always be gentle around the memory chip while cleaning, because of the micro-resistors that surrounded the memory chip. By neglecting or not paying attention to this, little stuffs can cost you a pain in the ass because of just a little resistor. And don't forget that there are some filtering capacitors. They look exactly the same as capacitors if you don't know, until you check them on schematics. So if you don't pay attention and knock off one of them thinking it was just a capacitors, then you know your repair will be a failure. I'm not saying the filtering capacitors are available or included in this repair, but I'm just advising you to always be patient while repair, especially when cleaning glue around an IC chip. Now that we are done cleaning, the next step is to remove the 64 GB memory chip so that we can be able to install our new 256 GB memory chip. Then we clean the memory slot with patience so not to knock off or pull up pads while cleaning.
Are you watching the World Cup?
Yes, of course I'm watching the World Cup.
Is it true?
Yes.
That in at least every team playing the World Cup?
Yes.
There's an African player?
Yes, of course. Most of the teams playing in the World Cup right now has at least an African player.
Very true.
Yes.
Qatar?
In Qatar, we have Karim Bodiaf from Morocco.
Next?
Boalem Kouki, Algeria. Pedro Miguel Cavano, Cape Verde.
England?
In England, we have Bukayo Saka.
Correct.
Nigeria. That is England.
Wales?
Wales has Ben Kabango from Angola.
Correct.
Ethan Ampadu from Ghana. Soba Thomas from Sierra Leone.
Correct.
That is Wales.
United States?
United States.
Now that we have successfully cleaned the memory slot pads, the next step is to copy the data on the old memory, which is 64 GB, to our new memory of 256 GB. If you don't copy the data, your phone can and will never be activated after flashing. So it's a must to copy the data from the original phone memory to the new upgraded one.
Are you watching the World Cup?
Yes, of course I'm watching the World Cup.
Is it true?
Yes.
That in at least every team playing the World Cup?
Yes.
There's an African player?
Yes, of course. Most of the teams playing in the World Cup right now has at least an African player.
Very true.
Yes.
Qatar?
In Qatar, we have Karim Bodiaf from Morocco.
Next?
Boalem Kouki, Algeria. Pedro Miguel Cavano, Cape Verde.
England?
In England, we have Bukayo Saka.
Correct.
Nigeria. That is England.
Wales?
Wales has Ben Kabango from Angola.
Correct.
Ethan Ampadu from Ghana. Soba Thomas from Sierra Leone.
Correct.
That is Wales.
United States?
United States has Yunus Musa from Ghana.
Correct.
Haji Wright from Liberia.
Next?
Timothy Weah.
Now, after we have successfully copied the data from an old memory to the new memory, the next step is to reball our new 256 GB memory chip before installation.
Denmark has Alexander Ba from Gambia. Yusuf Poulsen from Tanzania. That is Denmark.
Germany?
In Germany, we have Thilo Hera from Burundi.
Yes.
Ahmed Bella Kocha from Cameroon.
Correct.
Yosofa Mukoko from Cameroon.
True.
Saj Nabri from Ivory Coast.
Yes.
Jamal Musiala from Nigeria.
Yeah.
Leroy Sane from Senegal.
True.
And Antonio Rudiger from Sierra Leone. That is Germany.
Spain?
In Spain, we have Nico Williams from Ghana. Fati from Guinea-Bissau.
Correct.
And Alejandro Balde from Guinea. That is Spain.
Belgium?
In Belgium, we have Jeremy Doku.
Now that we have successfully reballed our new memory chip of 256 GB, the next step is to install the new memory chip to the motherboard. Apply a not too much flux to the memory slot for easy installation.
From Ghana.
Yes.
Lois Openda from DR Congo.
True.
Romero Lukaku from DR Congo.
Correct.
Yoweri Tiela
Now install the new memory chip to the motherboard.
from DR Congo. Miki Bushwai from DR Congo. And Amadou Onana from Senegal. That is Belgium.
Canada.
In Canada,
After we have successfully installed our new memory, then we cool down the motherboard before installing it back to its housing.
we have Ishmael Kone from Ivory Coast. Richie Layers from Ghana.
Yes.
Alfonso Davis from Liberia.
Thank you.
Ikbe Ugbo from Nigeria.
Correct.
Samuel Akogugbe from Nigeria. That is Canada.
Switzerland.
In Switzerland, we have Brill
After installing the motherboard back to its housing, the next thing to do is just to connect the phone to PC for flashing.
Embolo.
What?
Embolo from Cameroon.
Thank you.
Edmilson Fernandez from Cape Verde. Manuel Aka.
And now congratulations, our iPhone 8 Plus has just been flashed to a new memory chip of 256 GB. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share, as the more viewer the more energetic to do more. And may Almighty Allah bless you as you watch and share. Thank you all. Bye bye.